In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets. To get clean, accurate lines, the secret is how you set up your data. In the very first column, place your independent variable, the thing that goes along the bottom of the chart such as dates, weeks, or time periods. Keep this in column A so Google Sheets knows it's your x-axis. Then, in columns B, C, and so on, put each dataset you want to compare. Every column becomes its own line, so think of each one as a distinct series. Make sure the rows line up correctly across columns and avoid extra blank rows in the middle, so the chart reads everything properly. Use the first row for clear, descriptive headers. Labels like Product, Sales A, and Sales B help Sheets automatically create a legend, making it easy for viewers to understand which line is which. Good headers also make your chart easier to reuse or share later. Once your table is ready, click and drag to highlight the entire range, including those headers. With the data selected, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Chart. Sheets may insert a different chart type by default, like a bar or column chart. That's totally fine. Look to the right for the Chart Editor sidebar. Under the Setup tab, open the Chart Type dropdown and select Line Chart. Your multiple lines should appear instantly, one for each data column after the first. To improve readability, switch to Chart Style in the sidebar and check the Smooth option. This turns sharp angles into gentle curves, which can make trends easier to follow, especially when you are presenting or sharing the sheet. For fine-tuning, open the Series section here. You can target each individual line to customize its appearance. Change the color to make lines distinct. Adjust the thickness if one series needs emphasis, and add data point markers, so each value is easy to spot. Contrasting colors help prevent confusion, and markers are especially useful when you have fewer data points or want to call attention to specific values. That's it. Thanks for watching.